Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts. And somebody earlier today, we had a little bit of a fake out, and over here, somebody sold 20,000 or almost 22,000 pieces of Ethereum. And the bid held very strong. That is about that. This looks like a boring day, but on a lower time frame, it was a little bit of a chaos. ES1 futures looking good, everything looking good, basically Nasdaq as well. Bitcoin over here, we can see over here, with this breakout of this trend line, fundings and premiums have started to appear. And that is good, or good. It's not something we like to see, but it is something that is totally okay, for now to happen. It happened over here as well, and we can go on for a while, with high fundings, high premiums. That is okay. At one point, if stuff gets too high, like over here, reversals are, very close over here as well. It's just a matter of time before a big reversal happens then. But for now, we're still good, I think. It's simple, I've been talking about it for the past few days. Bitcoin is going to 52, 53K, just based upon the VPVR. We're back in this range. We're back above 50K. Everything is looking fine. Retail is coming back like we've seen yesterday in yesterday's video. Still have it over here. And everything is looking good. Like we can see it over here, 3 month. The current week just started, so last week a lot of new people entered. Extremely good, exactly what we need. Bitcoin is going to 53K, and after that, we're at this level. I would say 57, something like that. For now, this level will be like a magnet for Bitcoin. Fundings are still in check as well, like I said, It's not too bad. This is totally fine. Ethereum is high at the moment. A weird thing, is USD or USDT margin. Pretty negative on Bybit. I don't know how that happens, If you want to short, you want to do it with USD or USD margin, collateral. But it's so extremely negative. It's almost like I wanna extra long it, over here, just because I get paid funding. I do not know what those people are doing, or what they are seeing that I'm not seeing. But I see a great opportunity if you're bullish, long it with USDT collateral on Bybit. Make sure you have an account. Make sure to make your account with the link in the video description. It is a referral account, so you help me. Bitcoin over here, Ethereum over here on a lower time frame. Maybe take a quick look on the lower time frame for Bitcoin as well. We had this grind up yesterday, or last few days, and yesterday, we broke it out. We did a stop run already, or a bullish retest over here. This morning, a lot of alts, had big shakeouts as well, especially FTT. We'll take a look at that in a minute. And it's just on hourly, would be looking at this and these lines in between those. Premiums are like declining. A close above here, means 53K. Simple as that. And this is support right now, big support, Ethereum, a little bit different story. Support over here, resistance extremely clear over here, and you can see the volume that's being done, just above 4K or just below 4K. That is like, if we break 4K, Ethereum is going to all-time highs. Completely sure of that. Let's go to the daily, we can see that over here, if they go above 4K, it is 5K within days, I would say. So Ethereum BTC, how is that looking? A little bit of a double bottom over here, looking to climb again on a higher time frame, Ethereum BTC looking mighty fine over here. Has resistance over here on a really high time frame. And you know, the high we had earlier in the year. This one, you know, broke this one. Big support for Ethereum BTC is this one now, of course. But looking really, really good. Expecting them to break out of this quite soon. Solana on the 1 hour, you know, Solana, guys, do I have to tell you? Solana is about to make new highs right now. On the 1 hour, very, very simple. This one, it's a close above 150 and they are going to 160. 160 would be a level for me to maybe take some profit. Maybe 170, let's see where it's at. Something like here is where I would take profit, you know. It's around, right now it's around 185, I would say. So that is where you would take some profit if you were, I don't know, rational. Not sure if everybody is. Step being complete, chat over here. I mean, yeah, it's just going to, I would say, $5. This is looking so good, it's nothing else to say about it. Big support for step over here at around just below $80. Another support, you know, is over here, 95, and resistance right now is over here, and that is 125. Looking good, you know, and if it gets to 125, you know, it's 250. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Yeah, free money basically. XRP on the daily looking mighty good over here. Had a little bit of a consolidation over here. You can see it quite simple. Broke out, you know, right now at this high over here. Daily close here, you know, would be really good. Would send Ethereum, XRP over there to 160. It is really simple, guys, and especially these times, you know, it is a bull market, everything goes up, so you choose the biggest gainers. What I do, you know, is focus on a 1 or 2 and watch them like a hawk. I'm not trying to catch 10 bottoms, you know. Make sure you keep it simple and you have enough time to look at it, you know, so you understand it and can really watch it. Do not diversify, do not buy 20 shitcoins. It will get you in trouble unless, you know, it's a lottery and some of them will win big, but make sure to keep it simple for you. XRP BTC looking good here as well. Looking for a pop of this one over there, and you can see, you know, we're on the daily. This level, you know, getting above us will really send Ethereum. And that is about that, you know. Little bull flag here as well. Daily close is important, you know. We want to have a higher daily close than this one over here. We're on the daily, so a lot of lines on FTT, Sam coin, Sam Bankman Fried. I mean, FTT looks very good over here, all-time highs. Had a little bit of a consolidation, bull flag over here, looking very good. Target, I have no clue for now. I would say $100, just because it's a round number. That is why you choose $100, or I do. A Fibonacci level would be a thing to look at. I usually just keep it until it looks bad. So I'm looking at fundings, premiums, stuff like that to decide when I'm out. They did a little bit of a shakeout, you know, over here, retested this spot basically this morning. Looked mighty fine over here, make a big push, pull back, you know, just like Bitcoin did today, like with the mall. And right now they're coming back for retest over here. So 73 would be a place to buy if you get it. And, you know, premiums are still in check. Especially on BitMEX, you know, Arthur is shorting it, but everything is looking mighty fine. Greed, you know, are people greedy? Let me check. Oh, kind of greedy. I mean, these numbers, you know, are from midnight last night. Anyway, stuff is looking great. Looking for upside. Retail is coming back. Yeah, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Also, make sure to follow me on Twitter, guys. I'm almost there. See you guys again tomorrow. Happy trading.